Hi, I'm Zach, and today I'm going to show you how to wire a basic socket, socket with ring, and socket with extended threads. Hey guys, just so you know, I'm not a licensed electrician, nor should this demo be used instead of one. Color Cord Company and World Effect LLC are not liable for your DIY projects. Alright, let's begin by taking our socket cap and placing it over our already stripped wires and beginning to screw it in to the base portion of that cord grip. Once it is secure, you can go ahead and secure the entire assembly with the top cap of that cord grip, like so. For more information on how to use a cord grip, please visit our How to Use a Cord Grip video. Once you've done that, we can go ahead and loosen the neutral terminal in the top of the socket cap, just by loosening that little screw there. And we're ready to slide in our neutral wire, the green wire, into that terminal and tighten accordingly. Alright, as you can see here, you can go ahead and see how that's assembled. Next, we're going to loosen our terminal screws on the terminal plate. Our black wire, our hot wire, coordinates with our gold screw here. And then we go ahead and loosen our silver screw and tighten it down with our neutral wire, which is the white wire. Once you've done that, you can position the terminal plate and grab the base of the socket and screw on accordingly. You screw and screw until you hear a little ratcheting sound, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out all of our products and videos on colorcord.com.